These cows are having a field day, eating vegetables that many ordinary Venezuelans can't. Farmers in La Grita are having to throw away their produce because there's no petrol to take it to market.
This is my bread and butter, the only thing I have to support my family.
President Nicolas Maduro blames U.S. economic sanctions for an acute petrol shortage that's causing havoc. Now he's removed the president of the state oil company, PDVSA, and replaced him with a key confidant, Tareck El Aissami, who's been indicted by the U.S. Justice Department for alleged drug trafficking. This comes just days after the Trump administration gave Chevron Corp, the last major U.S. oil company operating in Venezuela, its marching orders.
The Treasury Department has announced a new, narrowly limited license for 7 months, which will allow companies that are operating there to begin their wind-down process.
The White House is hoping that more of the same sanctions, but under worsening circumstances, will finally convince the army to oust Maduro.
That will only happen when the military feels confident that they'll maintain their corporate power, their physical integrity, and their economic interests. And we're a long way from that, because, for example, the head of the military is on Washington's blacklist. It's an inconsistent strategy.
Meanwhile, an NGO that tracks political prisoners reports that at least 70 people have been detained in the last 5 weeks, since the nationwide COVID-19 lockdown was declared. That includes 11 active and retired members of the National Guard involved in an alleged foiled uprising last week. Opposition Deputy Juan Guanipa says Maduro is using the quarantine to further social control.
He manipulates absolutely everything to give the impression that everything is under control when the worst is still to come.
For now, there are no signs of a political solution that could ease economic sanctions and hardships. But with a crisis of such magnitude, even the unthinkable is possible. Lucia, Newman, Al Jazeera.